Hi guys, what are you doing? We're at the hospital. With who? With Darnell. Ed? And Darnell. And you? And Darnell. And Molly. And your dad. And Zaya. And Mona. And Sosa. And the hospital women. And the world. And the whole Wallace family. And that's enough. Including what? Including you. Including you. Including the new pew. The new baby. What's his name again? Eddie. Eddie who? Eddie Murphy. Is his last name Murphy? His name's Eddie Murphy. Is his last name Murphy? Yeah. Dad, the baby's last name Murphy. Hey guys! Hey boo-boos! I just wanted to show you guys what I got in the mail. As you can probably tell from the tape, it's from Rebel Sport. And I got Ossie a surprise! Huh? Yay! Even Evan's excited for me. Aren't you? Aren't you? Mom, let's go. Mom, do you like my shoes? Wow, Ossie! And last but not least, we got Ossie's rugby shoes, sponsored by Adidas again. Cool. It's size 12. Oh, you're so warm on it, Apple. It comes with a bag. He'll be so happy about that. Better come with a bag. It was quite expensive. Morning, everyone. It is a Thursday morning and I've got today and tomorrow off work because I am going in for a minor operation. I'm just a little bit nervous. Ossie's at work. I told him to go to work because it's a very, very short procedure, and he's doing great at work, and I didn't want him to miss out on a day because I've got my mum with me, and yeah. Morning guys, it's post-surgery day, and I woke up at about 3 hours ago when Siaosi went to work, and I've been up since, but I didn't vlog the rest of yesterday because I was really out of it and I wasn't really happy actually. So I'll be very quick. The lady told me to come in at 11 AM, so I went in at 11 AM and I didn't get seen for my surgery until 6 PM. 5 people came in after me, like way after me, and they all went in before me. And I could have gone to work. The biggest thing that I was mad about is because I took a whole day off work. If I'd known that I wasn't going to go in until 5 PM, then I would have gone to work and left an hour earlier and then gone straight over for my surgery. But no, they had me come in at 11 AM and made me wait 6 hours before I went in. Anyways, I got really upset with the lady and I gave her a piece of my mind. But anyways, I was walking out. The doctor was pushing me out of the theatre, and the doors slid open, and then like you can't see through them, but they slid open. I saw Siaosi standing there. He was the first person I saw, and this was like after I recovered, and he was standing there and he looked so concerned, and then he was like touched me on my shoulder and he was like, "Babe, are you okay?" And I was like, "No." No, not really. And I was like, "Yeah, I'm fine, I'm just really dizzy." But he's such a lovely husband. And then last night, or this early morning at 1 AM, I woke up and I was like, oh, I really feel like something sweet. Like, I just want Alan's lollies. So then he went to the petrol station and bought me this chocolate and a packet of Alan's lollies. And I miss him. He's at work today. So I really can't wait to see him. But I feel still a little bit dizzy. I'm feeling much better than I was yesterday. And yeah, one thing to add, while I was waiting those 6 hours in that wait room waiting for my surgery, Everybody's Snapchats kept me occupied, so thank you guys so much. Hello, little Krusty. Good morning.
Hello, little Tommy. Little Tommy.
Good morning.
Maar of fuera zo kun.
You look so much more.
Fair.
And mukuwelo. Maar de moeder blaak alweer. Zo mijn koe. It's such a wonderful day out there and just enjoying the sun. It's a bit too bright. I'm still in my robe. I'm still feeling a little bit lightheaded and just so tired. I just want to go back to bed, but I'm going to get some vitamin D in me, or on me I guess. Don't mind my hair. Hi. What are you doing? Do you want to say hello to the camera?
Everyone, just here at the mall sorry for not seeing me all day. Here at the mall, going to cut my hair. Just finished cutting my hair. I'm looking so good. That's my favorite person who cut my hair. He always cut me like this. Look guys, it's so nice.
I just made my green smoothie. We're going to Darnell's game, and then straight after Darnell's game we're going to Aussie's game because it's right across the road from it. That's pretty much what's happening, guys. I feel like my eyes are really tired. I've only had about 3 to 4 hours sleep. And Aussie's pretty tired as well because every time I woke up, I woke him up. Sorry, Annie. I also bought myself this drink bottle because it's going to encourage me to drink 2 liters or more a day. So it says 8 AM 2 liters. By 10 AM you should have drunken 500 mils. By 12 PM it should be 7.5. By 2 PM you should have drunken a liter. By 4 PM you should have drunken a liter and a half. By 6 it should be 2. So obviously those times are going to be different for me because I'm going to try and drink 2 of these a day, or at least 1.5. Guys, I'm at Aussie's game now. Oh, I can see shoes. Hi guys, guess who just finished his game? And guess who's got a lip? Let me zoom in on it. What the hell? That's it, no more rugby for you.
Tough girl.
Well, where's your mouth guard? How was your game? I didn't get much footage because it's annoying just standing there with the camera waiting for you to get the ball. Yeah, I was there, but I just was like, no, I'm not worrying about filming. I just want to watch. It was really frustrating to watch because they were so close and just made simple errors, like a lot of stripping of the ball. And that's how it is in Union. They just keep taking the ball, taking the ball, taking the ball, take the ball, take the ball. And the other thing, my advice to you, honey, and your team, my little bit of 2 cents advice, you have to tell your team they need to practice more on cleaning out. So cleaning out is a big thing you need to work on. And the second thing is pressure. Not enough pressure. Move too slow, 2-3 seconds slower than the other team. And one other thing, and the last thing, well, I can't remember the last thing. If I remember it, then I'll tell you. Good evening, everyone. It's about 12:30 and it's Sunday early morning, and we're about to go to bed. You can hear Siaosi's heavy ass breathing, and I just wanted to end the vlog. We didn't vlog that much after Aussie's game. Basically went to get some more work tools, and then he went and got a back massage because he said that his back is broken from his rugby game today. My hair is just everywhere and I am so tired. Still running off 3 hours sleep. Actually, I came home and had a little nap, and then yeah. Babe, you gotta say something?
Hi everyone, it's 12 a.m. in the morning, but still awake to do a vlog for tomorrow.
Are you gonna edit it?
Yeah, I'm editing them.
Oh, what is video, guys?
See you tomorrow, guys. We love you so much. We miss you. But my back is hurting from the rugby.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and my lung is cut from the rugby.
Oh, poor Baba. Say bye.
Bye, everyone. We love you. See you tomorrow in my video.